my favorite crystals. I have a pendant in Larimar. This is Larimar too. And it is a crystal that she made a face on. But it's a Larimar. I just love this piece. I can feel this piece. And in this Larimar, and understanding that the essence of this brings natural playfulness and joyfulness, childhood. You can see that in me. Energy, and it radiates love, and it draws the soulmate to you. That's why I picked it, because this crystal helps you draw the soulmate to you. And the healing relationship, karmic, and also heart traumas. And it's always good for energy blockages of the chest and everything. So that's about the Larimar. I love giving you little tidbits about little things. So use that if you'd like when you go to bed. Keep it with you. It's powerful. And the message of the crystal also reminding me of something that so pure and so beautiful is about relationships and about understanding that you are the beauty. You are the one that shows up